We absolutely love living in this house. It's the most relaxed vibe. It feels like we're on a holiday every day of the year. When we arrive home, we're just blown away by the experience. Coming through the hallway from the old architectural heritage home into the connecting hallway, and then where it opens up to the rear and the beautiful light. We absolutely love the way the home flows. We actually went away early in December, and when we came home we decided we didn't need to go anywhere anymore for the next little while because this was better than any holiday we've ever had.